In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TurboTax Premium. If you accidentally upgraded to the premium version, or you simply realized you don't need all of its extra features, this process can help you switch back before filing your return. The key thing to remember is that this option is usually available before you file, and clearing your return will remove the information currently entered. So make sure that's the choice you want before continuing. To get started, log in to your TurboTax online account. Once you're signed in, open your current tax return so you're working inside the return that was upgraded to premium. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and select Tax Tools. This section contains several support and account-related options that can help you manage your return. After opening Tax Tools, click Tools. This will take you to the Tools Center, where you'll find additional actions for your return. In the Tools Center, choose Clear and Start Over. If your goal is to restart the return and remove the premium version before filing, this step is important because it resets the return, which can allow you to begin again with a product that better matches your tax situation. When prompted, confirm that you want to clear your current return. Be sure to read the message on the screen carefully so you understand that your current entries will be removed. Once you confirm, TurboTax will clear the return and take you back so you can begin fresh. Next, return to the TurboTax home screen. From there, you can either start a new return or continue using the version that best fits your needs. If TurboTax gives you a choice of products during setup, select a lower-priced option instead of premium, as long as it covers your tax situation. This is the point where choosing the right version can help you avoid paying for features you may not need. After that, review your account and the return details to confirm that the premium upgrade has been removed. It's a good idea to double-check the product name shown in your account or during checkout so you know you're no longer on the premium version. Taking a moment to verify this can save time and prevent confusion later. That's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to remove TurboTax Premium and continue with the version that works best for you. Thanks for watching.